I am Dr. Sumit Sengupta, chest specialist in Salt Lake AMRI Hospital. I am part of a team looking after COVID patients for almost last 2 years, and we've seen over 3,000 patients and more than 1,000 in ICU. We had expected by this time to be quite free of COVID, but unfortunately that is not the case. We have a prediction of a surge of infections because of the new Omicron variant. Now, there are some good news, there is some bad news. The good news is that for each individual infected with Omicron, the chance of getting severe disease is much less than Delta. However, it is much more infectious, so many more people are expected to get it, including people who have had 2 vaccines and or have had infections in the past. So let us wait and see how far these two balance itself out. Whatever be the case, there will be increasing risk of Omicron over the next few days, and that is quite apparent. Treatment wise, there is no difference between Omicron disease requiring hospitalization and other Delta disease. The only thing is monoclonal antibodies, particularly marketed in India, are ineffective against Omicron. However, we will not have easy facilities to diagnose Omicron straight away. It is taking time via full genomic studies. We could, however, do something called an S-gene target failure test, but that is in the future. As regards preventing of Omicron, it is more infectious, but the basic simple principles are: you do not come within 6 feet of somebody else without wearing a mask and making sure the other person is not wearing a mask. So all masking within 6 feet. You must use hand rub whenever leaving, entering, touching things, and that should be like a second nature to you. And thirdly, the vaccines have to be taken, and now that the boosters have come into fore, you must, if you are on the list, get your boosters and make sure that there is no delay in getting yourself boosted up. In enclosed spaces, in rooms, in offices, in hospitals, the air conditioning has to allow for outside air changes. If this is not possible in your place of work, you need to open the windows, keep them open, or at least open them once every hour for 5 minutes to allow outside air to come in and explode. If you have the facilities, HEPA filters to be put into air conditioning ducts or standalone HEPA filters are of some benefit, though not greatly effective. Over the next month or so, we will see number of infections going up. However, the critical thing to worry about is how many of those will become critically ill or seriously ill requiring hospitalization. We have in the offing an antiviral which works against Omicron as well as Delta. It should be there within the month, and also another one which is coming slightly later. There is also a monoclonal antibody which is available in Europe and America called Sotrovimab, which is effective against Omicron and may well be marketed by Glaxo in the coming few months. Stay safe and keep your distance. Make sure that you are sensible in anything you do. Thank you.